Hello and welcome to this new video. We're going to install KiCad on a Mac system now. So let's start right away. Go to the Safari or whatever browser you're using. Go to KiCad website, kicad-pcb.org, and go to the download. Choose our operating system. It's going to be Mac now, and choose where is you want to install it from or download it, sorry. I'm going to choose CERN, Switzerland. Click, and here is my download started. To see what's going on with the download, look at this here. It is downloading. For the sake of the duration of this video, I might fast forward the download, so you can pause until your download is done. Yeah. Because here it says it might take 3 minutes 50 seconds so far, the remaining. For you it might take longer, it might take less time, we don't know. So for that I'm just going to fast forward this download part and we'll continue right after it's finished. Here we go. My installation is my download, sorry, is complete. Let's install it. Double click. It's not finished yet. Not yet. Yeah, still downloading. Here we go. Double click. And it's verifying. Let's close this now. Here we go. It says please read the README for installation upgrade instructions. I did that before and I'm telling you now. If you want to use the demos now, just simply copy them on wherever and you can refer to them later. To install KiCad, just drag this to the application and drag this to the application support. Needs authentication. Yeah, it was asking me if you want to replace a previous one. I installed KiCad before. I'm just replacing it. So it's copying. Let's see what will go next. Look at the README files. It's just about the KiCad, the version, what you need, the license, the installation. It needs authentication. Here we go. It's copying here. Look, the installation, the upgrade, the demo files, reporting issues, uninstallation, whatever. So it's going to take a few minutes. Again, I'm going to fast forward here for you. You can pause and wait until this is done, because again, it depends on the speed of your system. It might take a couple more less, or a couple less or a couple more minutes. So we'll continue right after this copy is complete. Done. Let's see now. Let's close this and look, now I have an icon of KiCad on the desktop. I'm going to double click on it. Now this is for the install. I go to the Launchpad and look, here is my new install of KiCad. KiCad has got a couple components in it, the eSchema, the PCB-new. You can open them separately or you can open them from within the KiCad project manager. We'll talk about those later, but for the Mac users, it's important for the first time, if you want to open those, is to open them from within the KiCad project manager. I double clicked on it. It's going to open. So look, within the Launchpad, I have all of those components, eSchema, PCB-new, the calculator. I don't want to open them the first time separately from the Launchpad. I want to open them from within KiCad main menu, which is the project manager. Here we go, it's telling me that it was not installed from the app, it was installed from the internet, it's not from the App Store. Do you want to install it or open it? Yes. Look, I was telling you, these are the components inside. This is called the KiCad Project Manager. If the first time, I'm going to open them from within KiCad. With this, we conclude the installation on Mac and we'll move to the next video.